How many social media apps, games, and digital platforms can you name in 10 seconds? Now, take that number and double it or even triple it. That's how many your students are using on a daily basis. Your students eat, sleep, and breathe technology. And how they use it has real consequences on their health and well-being. And here's the thing, while engagement model might have changed, the values haven't. Kindness, honesty, integrity, creativity, friendship, collaboration, digital technology can help spread and promote all of those just as easily as negative behaviors. More than that, students can learn to use digital technology to overcome negativity like bullying and harassment and curate their feeds to be more positive. Students want to learn how to use digital for good, and we can empower them through hands-on lessons, activities, and conversations. Hashtag Helps Model is effective because we treat students like partners as we work to teach positivity and digital citizenship in schools and online. Come learn more about teaching your students to use digital for good with hashtag I Can Help.